How Tesla phone is going to be a game changer. Just as Tesla cars have dominated the automobile industry, the Tesla Smart Model Pi is a smartphone that will revolutionize the cell phone industry. The kings of the smartphone industry, such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung, have enough reason to worry when Elon Musk is the man behind Tesla's cell phone. After all, making smartphones is not rocket science, and Musk makes rockets in SpaceX. The ingenuity and vast wealth of tech genius make the idea of the Tesla Model Pi unstoppable. The striking appearance and powerful features of the phone make it irresistible. Ultra-resilient. The Tesla-designed smartphone is ultra-resilient to impact, as it's forged by fire. You'll no longer have to worry over a cracked screen when the phone slips from your hand. You can now afford to use the screen repair money to grab a burger down the street, as it will be unheard of. The Tesla phone Model Pi has 4 cameras that use artificial intelligence to light a pitch-black environment. Similarly, it has a high-quality front camera that is integrated into the screen. It's just the perfect phone that you can use to take selfies and post on your social media platforms. That selfie taken by the Tesla phone will stand out. The Tesla phone will be connected to Starlink, which provides a satellite internet connection. With the Tesla smartphone, you can enjoy download speeds of up to 210 megabits per second. The users of Tesla Model Pi will also enjoy 5G services when using the gadget. The phone has a clear and transparent solar panel that is embedded in its back. The technology will make good use of the energy from the sun. Climate change and green energy enthusiasts will quickly discard the electric-powered phones for the solar-powered Tesla phone. You can now be spared the trouble of carrying your phone charger to whichever place you go. Even the soldier in the desert can safely rely on the sun to charge the Tesla phone for communication. It's simple. So long as the sun shines, your phone will be charged. The cryptocurrency era cannot be more real than owning a Tesla Model Pi phone. With the gadget, you can mine Tesla's digital currency, which is Mars Coin. Everyone wants to make money, and it'll be exciting to make money with Mars Coin. Musk is just developing a new world that is quickly becoming a reality. His determination to explore Mars is just incredible. Who knows? Maybe Mars Coin will be the currency in Elon's Mars.